Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and verification. Jack the car, place stands under the pinch welds, and chock the rear wheel. Once secure, spray penetrating oil on the locking nut and the inner tie rod threads to ease removal. This reduces thread damage and saves time. Next, loosen the lock nut while the wheel is still slightly on so the steering stops rotating. This preserves alignment reference. Make sure to photograph the current measurement and count turns for reassembly. This helps you restore tow quickly. You now remove the worn component. Separate the outer tie rod from the knuckle with a separator, striking only if necessary to avoid stud damage. Then unscrew the outer from the inner, counting turns as you go. If replacing the full dev steering rod, withdraw the assembly and compare lengths and thread pitch to the new part so you match it exactly. Once the new rod is threaded into the same count, snug the lock nut and roughly align the wheel. This prevents extreme tow errors before final torquing. You finish by torquing the tie rod and nut and lock nut to spec, then lower the car and verify static tow using a tape measure across the front wheels. This confirms you're within safe range. Once done, take a short low-speed test drive to feel for pull, wander, or clucking. These symptoms indicate misalignment or loose hardware. If anything feels off, recheck torque, thread engagement, and steering rack mounts. Addressing those quickly prevents premature wear and restores predictable steering feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.